guys, it's Kimberly.
Letty.
Today we're going to be making some slime. Let's get started. Here you go. I'm going to be using some white Elmer's glue. Okay, I'm going to add some blue food coloring. What are you adding?
Blue is fine.
A spoon. I'm going to try to make a dark blue slime, so I'm going to need some more blue. Blah. When you pour it, it looks like black. Here is my slime so far. Thank you. It's going to be a very fluffy slime. It's turning lighter than I wanted it, so I'm going to put some more blue in it. Yep, I think that's good. Pretty good for now. I'm going to add some activator in. Might have been a little too much, so I'm just going to dump some of it. There you go. There you go. I just don't want too much and overactivate it. I just have to mix. And also, if this video can get 60 likes, we will do another video featuring slime. And next time we'll do a Valentine's themed slime. And who could do a better one. So, yeah. But for now, I'm just going to have to knead this. Make sure to like and follow. And also next time, I think when we do the Valentine's themed slime, we could also use like hearts to decorate them. What do you think?
Could be good.
And also, comment down below whose slime do you think is better, me or Len's. But we'll keep mixing, and at the end we'll show you them again. I made a mess. Okay, put that away. Whew. Well, this is my slime, and let me see your slime. Who do you think is better? Well, anyways, bye guys.